If you want to lift your eyebrows at home without equipment, this video is for you. Do the exercises with me right now, to see how simple, easy and fast it is. The first exercise. Make your fingers like scissors. Like me, massage the top and bottom of the eyebrows linearly. Also, these exercises are very relaxing. Do this exercise for 45 seconds. The second exercise. Move your index finger up and down next to your eyebrow. Repeat like me and you can do this exercise faster. You can do this funny exercise for up to 45 seconds. You can help me a lot with just one click and like. Please like the video. The third exercise. Keep one hand above your eyebrow. And massage under your eyebrow with gentle movements with the other hand. Start from the side of the nose to the end of the eyebrow. I like this massage myself, it really relaxes me. If you like, try it. Just do this exercise for 45 seconds. The fourth exercise. Using your two thumbs, massage under your eyebrows in a linear fashion. Massage your eyebrows upwards. This exercise also eliminates wrinkles around the eyes and is excellent. Do this exercise for 35 seconds is enough. The fifth exercise. Put your fingers on the glasses and put them on your eyes. I know it's a very strange exercise, but it's very important. Place your hand over your eyes like I did and slowly open your fingers. And hold for 15 seconds. Do this exercise for 35 seconds. Using your fingers, lift your forehead skin upwards. I think this exercise is very relaxing and great, and you won't realize its pleasure until you do it. Do this exercise for 35 seconds. Like the previous exercise. Like me, bring your palm from the chin to the other side of the eyebrow and massage from bottom to top. Now that you have seen the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you, friend. Do this exercise for 45 seconds. And do all the exercises in the video once a day. To see results as soon as possible. This channel is for your beauty. So subscribe to your channel. We are human with any race.